tore out an old nasty pond, built a pretty neat one. Hope you enjoy it. Hey everybody, it's Cody with River Rock. We are in Salem, Arkansas. We've been driving all day to get here. Lots of flat tires and hiccups along the way, but we finally made it. And we are going to tear out this beauty here. All this concrete and chunky rock, we're going to tear all that out, tear this pond out. And River is draining it right now. And the guy's getting the tank set up. And get this water out of here. We'll put save some of it, put it in there, put the fish in there. But we're going to tear all this out and get her a new liner in here and rock all this in so you don't see any of the liner, and build a nice little set of waterfalls right over there. You can see I've got this deck built on the side here. So we'll do our stonework right up to the edge there and around. Okay, we finally got that old thing ripped out. Kind of got our biofalls where we want it. We're going to make it go quite a bit lower, have some real shallow falls. Our skimmer box, we're kind of having to put it right there. We're working around a bunch of roots of this tree. And then we're going to start getting our grades marked out and start cutting them in. Got our pond all rocked in. We got all of these rocks. Look, get my hand in the right spot. All of these rocks right here are set at least 4 inches above water level, so we can have that much space above water level for our edges, so we can make sure we're not losing water that way. So right now the guys are starting to fill in inside of the pond with gravel. We'll fill in all these voids and put in some smaller rocks to kind of mix in different sizes inside of that. So we've got a little bit more stonework to do to dress up and hide the face of the skimmer. But if you can see right there's the top of our opening, our skimmer. So our water level is going to sit 1 inch below that. And so we're going to hide right in here with some rock and try to find something to go across the top right there. Guys are getting the last bit of excavation done for the biofall. Gotta just clean that out so our plumbing lays flat going into our biofall down there, and then we've got our opening where Donnie's standing. That'll be the opening to our waterfall and our frame rocks for our waterfall, and the biofall will sit right where the river's standing. Hey everybody, it's Cody with River Rock again. Out here day 2 at Salem, and we just got wrapped up with this pond. Turned out really neat. Tucked away under these trees right beside her pavilion they've got built. It's kind of a Louisiana, forget what she was telling me they called it, but she's from Louisiana, and I guess they have these a lot down there. But this big pavilion porch in front of the house, then they've got this to sit and listen to and watch while they're sitting out here. So super fun job, super quick project. Really like how it turned out though. Really transformed the space.